Alright everybody, this is the Lumintop Thor 3, like the Thor Mini LEP that I just reviewed. I couldn't resist, so this was on sale for like $160, so I decided to buy one, try it out. Let's open this up, slip that off. Okay, so this is supposed to be the Thor 3. On high setting, it's supposed to have 400 lumens. It's low setting, 40 lumens. And it's supposed to have a throw up to 2,500 meters. The user guide says it puts out 9 watts of power. And its impact resistance is 1 meter, so don't drop it. It's made out of aluminum. Just like the Thor Mini, it looks like it comes with a couple little O-rings to seal the little battery area. Looks like this is a little battery adapter, maybe to run a shorter battery. Okay, it has a little empty port here. I don't know if maybe that's what this little paperwork and O-ring is supposed to be in, but they were on top. It comes with a little film to protect the lens. Has a little spot where you can put a lanyard, but it didn't come with one. A little bit odd. The Thor Mini did. Lens look really nice. Good looking flashlight. A little bit smaller than I expected, but I can grip it good, I guess. It comes with the little Lumintop colors right here around the end. Let's get started. Usually they come with a little battery protector. So on low power, this is supposed to be able to run up to 7 hours. On high power, it can only run up to like 5 minutes, and then it goes down to its lower mode supposedly. So let's see. Let's turn it on. Okay. One click comes right onto the high setting, and you're supposed to, without us reading, half click to switch it to a different power. Okay. Half click, low power. Half click again, high power. Now if I go 2 half clicks, okay, there we go. It has a strobe mode. And another half click, low power, and another one, high power again. And that full click and it turns off. But really good looking flashlight here. Feels good. The aluminum is really nice. Feels rugged. Little cooling fins here. Definitely got hot just in that little time I turned it on. I wouldn't say blistering hot, it's just warm. But how about I wait a few hours here and we'll try it again when it becomes nighttime. Everybody, this is the Lumintop Thor 3. It's nighttime now. It's a lot darker than it actually looks on camera. But I got the Thor 3 right here. And I also have the Thor Mini from my last video. And we'll compare them both out here. So here is the Thor 3. That is on low power, which is 40 lumens. It's about 50 yards here. These initial trees. And that back there is about 150 or 175 yards away. And then the top of our treetops back there. Then we'll switch it over to high power. Very tight beam on this flashlight. We're up to 400 lumens now. 175 yards again there in the treetops. Crazy stuff here. Then also, if you double tap this, you can get a low strobe. Alright, now for the Thor Mini also. So there it is on high power, 200 lumens, a lot tighter of a beam. Initial trees about 50 yards away. Way more of a spotlight than the Thor 3. The Thor 3 doesn't have as much of a wider range on it. It's definitely way tighter than low power again on the Thor Mini. You'll see the Thor 3 again. And at night, I've kind of noticed this. Looks like it kind of changes colors a little bit. The back of the flashlight, yeah. Now it's red, and it's went blue, and it's went green. So that's a cool little feature I didn't realize earlier. I also didn't realize earlier when I was reviewing the flashlight, you can actually take the lens separate up here. So you can actually split it right up top here and get the battery out also. And I believe if you're a little bit stronger, you could actually take this front lens off like the Mini, but I can't get it with just my bare hands. But again, very, very tight beam, low power, high power. Very, very bright up in the sky. So yeah, that is the Thor 3 and then the Thor Mini again. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll probably be doing more flashlight content and whatever else comes to mind. Thank you. See you later.